All right, let's look at question 21. It says that given that 2 1 base 5 is equals to 1 4 base x, find x. The first thing is, let's put this to what is on the left hand side to base 10 and what is on the right hand side to base 10. How do we do that? So this is 2 times 5. You multiply this plus 5, 1 times 5. Put our power 0, 1 equals to this is 1 times the base, 1 times x plus 4 times x, 0, 1. So 5 raised to the power 1 is 5. 5 times 2, that's 10. Plus 1 times 5 raised to the power 0. Anything raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 1, 1. So x raised to the power of 1 is x. X times 1, x plus, we go again. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 4, that's 4. So we are pretty much done. 10 plus 1, 11 is equals to x plus 4. So our x will be equals to, take 4 to this side, subtract both sides, 4 from both sides. So 11 minus 4. So our x is equals to 7. That's option D.